People asking questions. How to make a shy person talk? Well, naturally, there's basically two types of people. One type of people is more outgoing, more gregarious, and the other kind of people are more shy and more reserved. Interestingly enough, that these two types of people, they actually gravitate towards each other for the reason of subconsciously learning from one another. So, if you don't know where to start with a smile. With a smile. It's an international language everybody understands. When you look at the person and smile, the other person will smile back. It's just natural. So, start with a smile and ask open-ended questions. How, when, what. For example, how? How are you feeling today? Or what is on your mind? Or maybe when are we going to talk about our relationship? You know, those simple, very simple things. When you're an outgoing person, avoid dominating the conversation. Allow the shy person to talk. Be interested. Be really interested. Listen attentively. Now, when you leave your person that you're interacting with feeling good, that person will be encouraged to come and talk again in the future. So talk to your partner. I know you can do this. Try it.